Are you ready to transform your home this holiday season with stunning Christmas garlands? From classic elegance to modern charm, we've got creative ideas to make your festive decor unforgettable. Want to know how to create that magical holiday vibe everyone will envy? Let's dive into it. What are the must-have elements for a classic Christmas garland? A classic Christmas garland blends timeless elements to create a warm, nostalgic atmosphere in your home. Here's what you'll need. Evergreen foliage. Use faux or real pine, cedar, or spruce for that authentic holiday feel. Add a hint of fragrance with cinnamon sticks or eucalyptus. Traditional ornaments. Incorporate baubles, ribbons, and red and gold bows to capture the festive spirit. Lighting. Twinkle lights add a magical glow that completes the classic look. Don't forget to like and share this video with someone who loves holiday decorating. What are some unique ideas for outdoor Christmas garlands? Outdoor garlands can transform your home's exterior into a winter wonderland. Try these ideas. Oversized decorations. Use large ornaments and bows to make your garlands stand out. Weatherproof materials. Opt for faux greenery and waterproof lights to withstand the elements. Bold themes. Go with themes like candy cane stripes, snowflakes, or rustic burlap for a unique touch. Looking for the perfect garland materials? Check the description for products featured in this video. How do I decorate a staircase with garlands? Staircases are a perfect canvas for garlands that exude festive charm. Here's how to make it stand out. Drape and layer. Let the garland cascade down naturally and secure it with ribbons or clips. Accents and details. Add bows, pine cones, and berries for a polished look. Light it up. Use battery-operated string lights for a hassle-free, radiant finish. Add this to your Christmas DIY playlist. Check the description for all our festive videos. How can I make a budget-friendly Christmas garland? Creating festive decor doesn't have to break the bank. Here's how to do it affordably. DIY greenery. Gather greenery from your yard or local park for a natural, cost-free base. Craft materials. Use paper, felt, or recycled materials to craft ornaments. Dollar store finds. Shop for affordable ribbons, lights, and faux greenery at discount stores. Want to recreate these looks? Shop all the products seen in this video. Link in the description. What are creative ways to use garlands beyond the tree and staircase? Think outside the box with these innovative garland ideas. Mantelpiece. Drape a garland across your fireplace for a cozy, festive vibe. Table centerpiece. Lay a garland along your dining table, adorned with candles and ornaments. Window frames. Add garlands around windows to frame the view with holiday cheer. Subscribe for more creative Christmas ideas. Let's make your holidays magical. How can I incorporate natural elements into a Christmas garland? Natural elements add a rustic, organic charm to your garland. Here's how. Pine cones and berries. Collect pine cones, cranberries, or holly for authentic touches. Dried citrus. Add slices of dried oranges or lemons for a pop of color and aroma. Twigs and moss. Use branches and moss for a woodsy, earthy appeal. Love these natural ideas? Watch more similar videos linked in the description. How can I make a modern minimalist Christmas garland? Modern garlands focus on simplicity, neutral colors, and clean designs. Here's how to create one. Neutral colors. Opt for white, gray, and metallics like silver or gold. Minimal ornaments. Use geometric shapes or single-color accents to maintain simplicity. Monochrome lighting. Warm white or cool white lights elevate the sleek design. Drop a comment below with your favorite garland style, classic or modern. Let's chat. With these creative Christmas garland ideas, your home will be the talk of the season. Whether you love the elegance of classic styles or prefer the charm of natural elements, there's something here for everyone. Start decorating and bring that festive magic to life. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments.